Hello, my dear family members. I hope all of you are preparing well for your upcoming Capgemini exam. Today, I'm going to share some important questions which were asked on 18th September 2024. Okay, so these are all important because these are the same questions which are being repeated or almost same question will be asked to you. So I'm giving you guarantee if you solve one type of pseudocode questions, two type of pseudocode questions, then the questions will be almost same in your slot exam as well. Okay, so I hope you will give importance whatever I am going to tell you with you right now. So in exam, basically you will have to face pseudocode almost 25 pseudocode questions will be there. Okay, almost 25 pseudocode. Okay, then 15 technical questions, technical MCQ from DSA, DVMS, and computer fundamentals. Okay, so then you will have to face game based aptitude. Basically, these 25 pseudocode questions will be very much important and this will impact on your overall marks. So I'm giving you guarantee if you solve 2 to 3 types of pseudocode questions that was asked in earlier exam, then you will get a common question from pseudocode. Okay, so let me share some questions from pseudocode. Okay, before that, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please subscribe this and watch the playlist regarding any company that you want, and please share this content. Okay, so this is the first question which you have to solve right now. Okay, so at first they have declared PQR integer variable, then initialized as p is equal to 9, q is equal to 8, r is equal to 6. So p is equal to 6 or 5 plus q is equal to q plus q, then just print the p plus q plus r. Okay, basically for pseudocode, if you don't know how to solve XOR operation, how to solve AND operation, how to solve OR operation, then please know it. And if you don't know yet, then please follow our playlist of pseudocode questions of any company like Capgemini, Accenture. You will get to know it very easily. Okay, so let me discuss this one by one. Still, if you have no knowledge about this, then I'll like show you how to solve this. Okay, just wait. So at first, set p is equal to 9, q is equal to 8, r is equal to 6. These are predefined. Okay, so we have to do operation with this. So p is equal to 6 XOR 5. So before I show the solution, let me tell you like how to convert our decimal number into its equivalent binary and binary to equivalent decimal. Okay, so I hope you guys know, like let me just take the pen. Yeah, so I hope you guys like have a little bit understanding about these. That is the pattern 0. Let me share it here. So for 0, the binary representation is 0. Okay, and for 1, the binary representation is 1. Okay, for 2, the representation is 0 1 0, and for 3, the representation is 0 1 1. So this is the pattern. It will be repeating. It will be repeating for what? For, let's say this is up to 3. So from 4, from 4, 5, 6, 7, the pattern will be repeated. That is, this is 0. So here 1 0 0 will be the binary representation. For 5, 1 0 1. Guys, if you know how to convert a decimal to binary, then please skip some moment and go to the question part. Okay, so for 6, this will be 1 0 1 1 0. As you can see here 10, so that's why here 10 0 1 0 1. Okay, this 11 will also come for 7 1 1 1. So here only 1 1 is included. Okay, so I hope you understood the pattern. Okay, so this is for up to 7. Let's say from 8 9 10 11, 8 9 10 11, the pattern will be same. Okay, so for 8, The same pattern, that is here only one included, here one included, but like triple zero, 1 0 0 0. Okay, 9 for 9, 1 0 0 1 for 10 10 10. As you can see here, 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 10 10. Okay, here 1 included, here 10 included, nothing else. Okay, so for 11, that this will be, this was 10 and then it was 11, so 10 and 11 will be there. So sorry guys, my network connection. Okay, so let me just make it stabilized. So for 10 this is a 10 10, and for 11 this is 10 11. Okay, so still the pen is not coming, so just wait. Yeah, oh, let me just make it continue editing. Yeah, so 10 11. Okay, so then if we go to 12 13 14 15, then the same pattern will follow. That is for 12, for 13, for 14, for 15, the same pattern. That is for 12 this will be 10 11, so the next is 11 0 0. Okay, then here like for 0 1 2 3, there you can see 0, here included 1 for 4 5 6 7, and for 8 9 10 11 10 included. For 11 for 12 13 14 15, 11 will be included. Okay, so 13 that will be 11 0 1, for 14 11 10, for 15 11 11, this way. Okay, and for later one, let's say for 16, the same pattern will follow, just here 1 0 0 will be included. Okay, then 0 0. Okay, so I hope you understood how to solve this type of problem. I mean how to convert decimal to binary. So it will be required in the upcoming questions, that's why I had to discuss it. Okay, so for let me just let me clear some operations. That is for AND operation. For AND operation, let's say you are doing for 4 and 5. Okay, so as I have shown you, that is 1 0 0 is equivalent to 4, and for 5 1 0 1. Okay, so if we do AND operation, if any of the statement is false, 0 is false. Okay, if any of the statement is false, then whole statement will be false. So 1 0, so 1 0 is there, so it is false. 0 is there, so false. If both the statement is true or 1, then whole statement will be true. Okay, so this is equivalent to 4. Okay, and the operation result will be 4. So I hope you understood. Just remember one thing, that is 10 for 2, 100 for 4, and 1000 for 8. Okay, this way you can remember, so that it will be easier to guess the equivalent binary number. Let's say you are guessing the binary number of 9. Okay, this will be easier if you know the binary number of 8, that is 1000, so you can easily say 1001. Okay, for 9. Okay, so this is for AND operation, and for OR operation, 4 or 5. So this is like a bitwise OR operation. So for 4 this is equivalent to 100, for 5 this is equivalent to 105. Okay, so for OR operation, bitwise OR operation, if any of the statement is true, if any of the bit is true, then whole statement will be true. So 1 0, that is 1 0 0, both are false, so it will be false. Okay, so if any of the statement is true, then this will be true. So 1 0 1, that is 5. Okay, so this is equal to 5. So I hope you understood. Okay, as you can see, we have done one operation, that is 4 and 5. The answer is this, the answer is this, and for 4 or 5 the answer is this. Just remember this type of shortcuts, this will be easier for quick solution. Okay, for 4 XOR 5, for 4 XOR 5, so 4 is equivalent to 100, for 5 the equivalent is 101. Okay, so for XOR operation, both the statement, if both the statement are same, that is true true, false false, then whole statement will be false. Okay, if one of the statement is different, then this will be true. Okay, both statement is true, sorry, both statement is same, that is it is false. Both statement is same, so it is false. Okay, so true false, only that case this will be true. Okay, so I hope you understood, and this is equivalent to 1. So let me just go to the question part so that it will be easier to understand. Okay, so let me just change the uh pen color. So yeah, so at first integer pqr, then initialized, then p is equal to 6 XOR 5. So before I show you the solution, please, like in the same time, try to solve the problem and cross verify if you are right or not. Okay, so 6 XOR 5, 6 is equivalent to 110 and 5 is equivalent to 101. Okay, so it is XOR operation. So if both statement is same, then this is false. If one statement is different, then this will be true. Okay, so this is equivalent to 3. Okay, so 3, this is 3 plus q, that is 8. So 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Okay, so then q is equal to q plus q. So q was 8, so q plus q is 8 plus 8, that is 16. Okay, that is 16, sorry. So q is equal to q plus q, that is 8 plus 8, that is 16. Okay, so p is equal to 3 plus q, that is 11. 3 plus 8, that is 11, and q is equal to q plus q, that is 8 plus 8, that is 16. So print p plus q plus r. So p is equal to 9, sorry, p is equal to 11, q is equal to 16, and r is equal to 6. So 16 plus 11, that is 27, plus r is 6. So the answer becomes 27 plus 6, that is 33. So this is the right answer. Option C will be the right answer. And one suggestions to you guys, this is like a very easy question, like a very minimum number of line question, but still there will be some questions which will be having 10 to 12 line of question. Okay, don't be feared, because that type of questions will be very much easy. Because let's say, let me share one thing. Let's say you are having like 11 to 12 line of question. That time one line will be for declaring, one or two line will be for initializing the value. Okay, initializing the value. Then one for loop will be there, one if block will be there, or let's say one if block will be there first, then for loop will be there. Okay, then let's say some initialization reinitialization again and again inside this. But if there is any if block, then there will be a probability that this condition will be false. This condition will be false. So you just have to skip all this part and just you have to check the else part. So that for that case you have to solve very minimum number of line questions. So whenever you will see 10 to 12 line of questions, then don't be feared and don't skip that question. That will be taking lesser time than the easier one, because most of the time if condition will be going to be false. Okay, so I hope you understood. So let me go to the next question. So this is the next question of today's session. So please try to solve the problem if you can, or if you can't, then please wait till the end. Okay, so this is impossible that you can't solve. You can't solve, but still if you want to, like, if you want to see my solution, then wait. Okay, so I hope you guys are having same answer as I have, like 33. So if you have any other answer, if you can challenge, then challenge me politely in the comment section. Okay, and guys, before I show you the solutions, I will recommend you to have the prime materials of Cognizant, TCS, Capgemini, or any company that you want, in which I have included all the recent questions with answers, all the previous year questions, all the like mock test, coding questions, technical questions, aptitude, verbal, all things are included there, including interview preparation. So if you want, then please DM me at my Insta ID instagram.com/techno.ef. Or what you can do, like use the UPI ID given in the description box rwajeda@oksbi. Use this UPI ID and pay 79 rupees according to the company and send me the screenshot at instagram.com/techno.ef. Okay, I'll share you the materials. Okay, so I hope you will guys give importance to whatever I'm telling you. This will be very much helpful because all are well documented, so that it will not require to watch all the videos. Okay, so for this, at first they have initialized the value. Okay, then there is a for loop. Okay, there is a for loop. P is equal to, sorry, for each r from 2 to 7. This equivalent Python programming will be for r in range 2 to 8. Okay, for r in range 2 to 8. Just like remember that and try to solve that. P is equal to initialized and Q is equal to initialized, then R is equal to initialized, then end for and print P plus Q. Okay, so I hope you understood. So let me just solve and I hope you will cross verify or you have already solved it. Okay, so here R is equal to 9, but this is global variable. Okay, this is global variable, but here this R is the local variable inside the for loop. Okay, for up to this scope, up to this, the local variable has the scope. Okay, so r is equal to at first 2. R is equal to at first 2. So 2 plus 9 is 11 and operation q. Okay, so 9 plus 2 is 11, so you have to do the and operation, bitwise and operation. So 11 means what? 10. 10 is 10, 10 is 10, so 10, 11 will be 11. Okay, 11 and q, so q is 3, so 3 means 1 1. Okay, so just do and operation between them. So if both the statement is true, only that case the full like answer will be true, and if one statement is false, then whole statement will be false. So this is equivalent to 3, so this becomes 3. Okay, then yeah, yeah, 9 plus 11, yeah, so q is equal to 5 plus 8, that is 13 plus r. 13 plus r is 2, so 13 plus r is 13 plus 2, that is 15. Okay, and then r is equal to 4 plus q, so 4 plus 15, that is 19. Okay, so in the next iteration this becomes 3, this becomes 3. So let me just select this. Yeah, so let me remove it. Okay, yeah, so then it becomes r becomes 3. So when r becomes 3, then this r is also 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. Okay, 3 plus 9 is 9 plus 3 12, and q was 15. So 12 and q, what? 12 is 1100. Okay, 1100, and q is 15, so this is 1111. Okay, so this becomes, so it is and operation. So if one statement is false, then whole statement will be false, and this case will be true because whole statement is true. Okay, so 1100 is 11, sorry, 12. Okay, so this statement becomes 12, so 3 then 12. So the next is 5 plus 8 plus r. Okay, so this becomes 13 plus 3, that is 16, and 4 plus q will be 4 plus 16, that is 20. Okay, so as you can see, 15, 16, 19, 20. So you don't have to calculate this each time because r is not dependent on this value. R is dependent on this value, so it will be increasing by 1 at one iteration. So you can just simply make it 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 this way, and 19, 20, 21, 22 this way. Okay, so because this value is not dependent on this value. Okay, so now 15 and 16, then 19 and 20. In the next iteration, the R value will be 4. So R is 4 right now. So 4 means 4 plus 9, that is 13. So 13 and Q 13. So this was like 12. Okay. So this was 12. 13 means 11, 0, 1, and Q is 16. Q is 16. So 16 is, let me say, so 15 means 11, 11. 15 means 11, 11. So next is 10, sorry, 100, 0, 0. Okay. So this is 16. So one statement is false. So this is false, 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 false. Because if any statement is false, then whole statement will be false in case of AND operation. Okay, logical AND operation. Sorry, bitwise AND operation. So for this operation, like 12, sorry, 9 plus 4, 13, and 16, the answer is 0. Okay, so this will be 17, this will be 21. In the next iteration, the 4 is now 5. So 5 plus 9, that is 14, and Q, that is 17. So 14 and 17. So 14 means 1101 is what? This is 13. 14 means 11, 11, 10. So this is 14. Just add 1 0 like in the left side. Then 17 is, so this was 16. 100, 0, 0. This is 16. So 17 will be obviously 1 here. So 10, 100, 0, 1. So this is 17. Okay. So 1 0, this is false, 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 false. So all becomes false. So this is 0 again. Okay. So then this is 18 and this is 22. Okay, this is 18. So in the next iteration, this is 6. So we have to iterate up to 7. So this is 6. Okay. So 6 plus 9, 15, and Q, that is 18. Okay. So 18 and 15. So 18 means 110. Okay. So this is 17, right? So after 0, 1, 10 will be there. So this is 18 and 15. 15 means 11, 11. Okay, so just add 1 0 here. So this is false, false, sorry, yeah. So under this one reside. Okay, so 1 0, this is false. In case of AND operation, this is true. So this is true. 1 0, so false. 1 0, so false. 1 0, so false. So 10 means 2. Okay, 10 means 2. So there you can see this is 2. Okay, so let me just draw one barrier here. Okay, so after 18, this will be 19. Okay, and this is 23. This is 19. Okay, so after 6, this is last iteration, that is R is equal to 7. Okay, so for 7, 9 plus 7, that is 16 and 19. 16 and 19. So 18 was what? 110. So 111 will be 19, and there was 9 plus 7, 16. So 16 was yeah, 100, 0, 0. So 100, 0, 0. So this is 16. So AND operation. So this is false, false, false. Only this case this will be true because both statements are true. Okay, so 100, 0, 0. So this is in itself 16. So this becomes, P becomes 16 here. Okay, then Q becomes it was 19. So this becomes 20 and 23 becomes 24. Okay, so this was 7. So up to this we had to iterate. Okay, then we have to print P plus Q. So P value is 16, P value is 16, and Q value is 20. So 20 plus 16 is equal to 36. Okay, 36. So this will be the correct answer, but in option, as you can see, there is no option present, like 18, 16, 20, and 15 is present. So in case this answer anything close to 36, just tick this, or you can tick 16 or 20 as well, because it was like it can be a mistake from their side. If it is print p, then answer would be 16. If this is print q, then answer would be 20. So at first I think like I am wrong, so I have written the equivalent code of this, so I got that answer is like right 36. Okay, as you can see I have written the equivalent python code and still the answer is 36. Okay, so there can be one mistake from their side, so in this case you can get the number. Okay, so let me go to the next question. So the next question is this. So please pause the video and try to give the answer in the comment section, and this will be a quick question for you. So options are 42, 24, 30 and 29. So this will be a quiz question for you. So guys, please pause the video and try to give the answer in the comment section. Okay, so if you can't solve still, you can just make it equivalent python code and run it in your compiler and see what's the output. Okay, so let me go to the next question, that is regarding this. Again guys, I am recommending you to have the prime materials of Capgemini, in which I have included the essay writing questions, recent essay writing questions, then recent technical questions, then game based aptitude, then interview preparation, coding questions. All things are there. So if you want, then just pay 69 rupees using the UPI ID given in the description box and send me the screenshot. Okay, nothing else. So I hope you will do so if you want. Okay, so let me show the answer of this question. So I hope you guys have paused the video and cross verifying if you are right or not. Okay, so at first they have told a, they have initialized the value of 789 C ABC. Then A's or B's or C, they're checking if A's or B's or C is less than A plus B plus C. So A's or B's or C means, so let me just change the pen color. Okay, so A means 7. 7 is equivalent to this, and B is 8. So 8 is equivalent to 1000. Okay, so let me just put 10 here. So if we do XOR operation, in case of XOR operation, what I have told, that both the statements should be, if both the statement is true, if the both statement is false, then whole statement will be false. But if one is different, if one bit is different, then that will be true. Okay, that will be true. So this is equivalent to 15. Whatever it is, whatever it is, we have to make a XOR operation with that, with C. Okay, C is 9. So 9 is, so 8 is 1000. 8 is 1000. So 9 will be obviously 1 here. So 1 1, if we are doing XOR operation, then if both statement is same, then that will be false. If both statement is same, that will be false. If both one statement is different, then that will be true. Okay, so 110, so this is equivalent to 6. Okay, so if 6 is lesser than A plus B plus C, A is 7 plus 8, that is 15, plus 9, that is 26. So if this is, sorry, 24, so if this is lesser than 24, yes, this is true. So we have to go inside the if block. So b is equal to 6 plus a, reinitialize the value of b. So 6 plus a, that is 6 plus 7, that is 13. Okay, value of b becomes 13. And if then a is equal to 8 XOR b, so b is 13. So 13's equivalent is, so 12 is 11 0 0. Okay, and 13 is 11 0 1. Okay, then 8. Okay, 8 is 1000. So if we do XOR operation, in case of same bit, we have to make it false. If one statement is different, then true. If one statement is different, that is true. If both statements same, that is false. Okay, so 101, that is what, 5. Okay, equivalent to 5. So this becomes, a becomes 5, sorry, so this will become 5, sorry, again this is a problem, so again still no problem, so this is 5. Okay, so 5 and 13, A plus B plus C, 5 plus 13, that is 18, plus C is 9. 18 plus 9, that is 27. So this is the answer. Okay, so let me show you the options. So option D will be the correct answer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this session. So let me show you some, and I am giving you guarantee if you solve these 4 questions, so in your exam as well, you will get almost similar questions. Okay, so just give me thanks after your exam. So let me show you some game based aptitude questions. So there will be various types of game based aptitude questions. So let me show one type of game based aptitude question. So let's say this is a circle, this is a circle, this is a circle. There will be random circle present there, not in a manner. Okay, so there will be various circle, empty circle, and they will highlight one. Sorry, let me just change the color of the pen. Okay, so they will randomly highlight one circle. So at first this one, at first this one, then this one, then this one, then this one. Okay, so this way, then they will remove all the highlighted circle. So you have to remember the order, that means in which circle they have highlighted first. So this was highlighted first, so you have to click it at the first, then this was second, this was third, and this was fourth. Okay, they are checking if you can remember the order or not. So this is like for easy step. Okay, for easier one, they can give you like this way. There will be uh, more color or more circles are there. They'll highlight at first this, then this, then this, then this, then this, then this. Now they will remove all the color, and let's tell which circles they have make one by one. Okay, so you have to answer, like you have to remember what order they have followed. You just have to click order wise. Okay, so I hope you understood this one type of game based aptitude as well as those pseudocode which I have like explained today. So if you guys enjoyed this session, if you guys liked this video, then please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding any company that you want. This motivates me to make more content. Okay, and if you want, at the end, if you want the print materials, then please tell me at Mr. ID. Thank you for today's session.